Secret guys Usho. Men will take about feelings. A man telling a woman how he feels. Was your guy raised as a traditional, stoic man's man? If so, and the work you gathered from psychology studies gender roles. Secret number 1. It may be easier for your man to talk about feelings indirectly. Ask what he had to do during a romantic weekend, or what he thought the first time he met you. His answer will reveal how he feels and bring you closer. Secret number 2. Men say I love you with actions. Some men prefer to show their feelings through actions rather than words. Your guy may say I love you by fixing things around the house, tidying up the yard, or even taking out the trash. Anything that makes your world a better place. Secret number 3. Men need time for themselves. While shared activities are important, men also need time for themselves. Whether your guy enjoys golf, gardening, or working out at the gym, encourage him to pursue his hobbies, while you make time for your own. When both partners have a space to nurture their individuality, they have more to give to each other. Secret number 4. Men learn from their fathers. If you want to know how a man will act in a relationship, get to know his dad, how they are with each other, and how the father relates to his own partner can predict how a man will relate to his wife. Secret number 5. Men think about sex. Okay, so maybe this one is no secret. Most men under age 16 think about sex at least once a day, compared with only a quarter of women, and that's not at all. Men fantasize about sex nearly twice as often as women do, and their fantasies are much more varied. They also think more about casual sex. The women do, but thinking is not the same as doing. Secret number 6. Men like pleasing their partner. Your pleasure is important to your man, but he won't know what you want unless you tell him. Too many women feel uncomfortable talking about what they like and don't like. If you can tell him clearly in a way that doesn't bruise his ego, he will listen because he knows he will feel good if you feel good. Secret number 7. Men may stray when needs aren't met. If a man doesn't feel loved and appreciated in his relationship, he may turn elsewhere for satisfaction. For one man, that may mean burying himself in work. Another may develop a fixation on sports or video games, and some men seek to avoid this. Partners need to work together to meet each other's needs.